everyone. Today we discuss about the topic of RFID and the flexible sensors, discussing about Vidya, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Assistant Professor. First, we are seeing about the introduction and RFID architecture. First, we see about the what is introduction of RFID. RFID, it is the full form of radio frequency identification. It is the form of the wireless communication that it is incorporates the use of electromagnetic waves, and also it is used to link to the radio frequency waves also used in this method. This radio frequency identification technology that uses to the electromagnetic fields to automatically identify and track the tags attached to the objects. These tags are contain electronically stored information that can be read from several ways. For example, it is identified as the RFID and can be used to two components. One is RFID reader and another one is the RFID tag. First, we are discuss about the RFID means RFID definition means this is the diagram of RFID. This RFID definition that stands for the or radio frequency identification that it describes the system of the identification where it is used to the electronic devices and also it uses to the radio frequency or magnetic field radiations to communicate it's attached in any other items. For example, we used in the RFID many of the examples we use it in barcode technology, vehicle numbers, vehicle identification numbers, some of the magnetic stripe tapes, or any kind of the payments we use it to strike the card payments. That is the debit card, credit card payments. And also nowadays we use it to the biometric systems. In the biometric systems, we identifying the, for example, we identifying the human beings which are identifying the features and another some of the features we use in this RFID. This is the two components of RFID tag and RFID reader. And the tag is the identification device attached to the item that is needed to the tag, which uses to the RFID technology means which is the working in the principle of radio frequency on a radio waves. For example, this object, it could be used to the RFID tags. It could be used to tag the books in the library system. For example, we use it to enter into one of the library means we search to the any kind of the books in this system means we find out this RFID tag. And other than that, one of the example we find out to one of the shopping mall we purchasing to the any of the item and it is used to purchase items. The item tag will be used to identify which item you have purchased and other than the price will be displayed in this method. And also it is used to one of the tag used in another method is that we have used it to own vehicle traveling to one place to the other place, we have identified the tracking system in which place you have to moving in this car. This technique also used in this RFID tag. This RFID reader system it is continuously sending to the radio waves. It is used to continuously sending to the radio waves, which used to find the reader's information what kind of the information we have stored in this RFID reader. And this system we have regarding this data continuously sending to this particular waves in this system. And also it is used to this one of the example is the RFID tag. It is used to another tag technology means we have used in multiple systems. For example, we use it in the medical system, or it is a location transportation system, or it is any other vehicles, sensing systems, mobile phones, or some of the computers we have used to identify the RFID tags. This is the structure of the RFID system. We have divided into the three parts. One is the RFID middleware server, and this RFID reader we have to use it to transmit the data to it is named by the RFID tag system. We have identified this system. Ranjit. How does it is used to work in this RFID means the first step we have identified as the Identification process of this radio frequency means it is mean by the RFID, radio frequency identification tag, preparation and placement to another system of the RFID reader. In this RFID reader and this tag, it is mainly two different this system. One is the RFID reader, that is mean by the RFID activation, and another one is the tag activation and powering system. And this step is moving to the first step is the tag only response. If the tag only response means the tag again divided into the three types. One is the active tag, passive tag, and another one is the semi-passive tag used. Which kind of a tag used to capture this system data captured by the RFID readers? It is the step 5 process, and then it is moving to the step 6 process. We identify the processing demands and then it how to integrate them. And then final process we moving to inventory management system and we support the process will going into this payment system. So only this system with us working in one of the RFID RFID system it is working in the inventory management system. So we have to purchasing to any kind of the data used to purchase and it is used to identify the these sensors or it is connected to the one of the barcodes used to identify the system. Again, it is converted to this system, RFID versus barcode means mainly we compare this RFID, it is how mainly used in the one of the power source system. But this barcodes does not use in this system. We have to use it to read the data only. The data only read it in this method. And with that we have use it to one of the data means the data barcodes. The data barcodes we have identified as any kind of the objects. So for example, we buying to the pencils, pens, any like that, the any other the projects, any other the source we have to buy. Like that means each and every product have one of the barcode we identify as like that. For example, we buy the any kind of the books or any kind of the materials. We have purchased that means we have identified as the barcodes. In this RFID applications, some other places we use in place. The already we see about one of the example, the main example is the inventory management system. We have to purchasing the item like this, how we purchase in this RFID readers and the RFID tags. How used to purchase this item. Because we use to purchase the item is based on the two components of the RFID readers and another one is the RFID tags. This tags used we have again, it is used in frequency also identified. Frequency means it is high frequency, low frequency, and medium frequency. We have identified as the system used in this one. And the next one is the asset tracking and the equipment tracking methods, inventory control methods. And the next one is the vehicle tracking. We have moving to one place from this business means we have to move tracking the vehicles. Also, change logistics methods, shipping, healthcare, manufacturing, and retail stores. And also, last one is the credit card systems or the credit card system. We have to identify as the process of this application. Is especially used for the healthcare means many of the user cases to identify tracking, patient tracking diseases or some kind of the informations on your own kind of the medicines you have to follow this identification used in this healthcare system. And then last one is the advantages and disadvantages and the disadvantages. RFID means the main advantages of the RFID is cost-effective solution. This technology is mainly used to cost-effective technologies are used. RFID tags can be designed, can be inexpensive, and also it is used to very few components are used in this method. And then second advantages is it is the efficiency method. And the third one is the security purpose. The RFID tags can use the encryption and is to protect the data and prevent unauthorized access will be used in this method. And this third advantage is the tag, RFID tag, it is used to identify many kind of the serial numbers or it is used to identify the product codes used in this method. Then, last we see about the disadvantages of artificial image. The main disadvantage is the scanner sensitivity. The scanner will not be used in RFID system. It can have some issues which is used to identify the accidental scans. The scan will not be used image. One of the scanner sensitivity, and the another that is the privacy problem. That is the RFID can potentially track and collect the data people collect the data with the people only. Without their people means the data will be some of the issues or some of the potential effects are used in this privacy system. And then last one we have used in more countries in this barcode system. Some cases we have not identified this barcode means it is also one of the disadvantages of this barcode scanners. So only this disadvantages will be avoided. And these disadvantages will be avoided in the future cases. In this future technologies, we use it to the RFID means which looks like this. Advancements in the technologies and decreasing the cost, which is using the cost will be decreased in the future. In like that, some of the innovations like we use it to the Internet of the Things or another data analytics method. Some of the improved battery life, active tags, or used in this RFID technologies. Yes.